Wait, Toyota may have just created the smartest family SUV of 2026. Before you buy your next SUV, you need to see what the all-new 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid brings, because this might change everything. If you're looking for a midsize SUV that perfectly balances luxury, efficiency, advanced technology, and everyday practicality, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the stunning all-new 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid, Toyota's latest evolution of one of the world's most trusted family SUVs. This isn't just a simple facelift. It's a smarter, more refined, and more premium SUV designed for modern families who want everything in one package. From its bold new exterior styling to its sophisticated hybrid powertrain, upgraded interior, cutting-edge technology, and improved driving dynamics, the 2026 Highlander Hybrid aims to raise the standard in its segment. Whether you're commuting through the city, taking weekend road trips, or simply driving your family safely every day, this SUV promises to deliver comfort, confidence, and exceptional fuel economy. At first glance, the redesigned Highlander Hybrid immediately commands attention. Toyota has sharpened every detail, giving the SUV a more premium and athletic appearance. The front fascia now features a larger, more aggressive grille with elegant chrome accents that blend beautifully into slimmer LED headlights. These new lighting elements not only improve nighttime visibility, but also give the SUV a modern, upscale personality. The sculpted hood adds muscular character, while the redesigned front bumper creates a wider, more planted stance. From every angle, the Highlander Hybrid looks more confident than ever before. Moving along the sides, you'll notice smoother body lines that improve both aerodynamics and visual appeal. The flowing shoulder line stretches from the front fender all the way to the redesigned LED taillights, creating a sense of movement even when the SUV is parked. Toyota also introduces new alloy wheel designs, ranging from stylish 18-inch options to premium 20-inch black machined wheels that perfectly complement the vehicle's luxurious personality. The black roof rails, chrome window trim, and sleek side mirrors with integrated turn signals complete the sophisticated look. Around the rear, Toyota has refined the taillight signature with a slimmer, more futuristic design connected by elegant body sculpting. A redesigned rear bumper, integrated spoiler, and hidden exhaust outlets contribute to a cleaner, more premium appearance that feels worthy of a luxury SUV. While the exterior looks impressive, the real transformation begins the moment you open the doors. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid feels more luxurious than ever before. Premium soft-touch materials cover nearly every surface, while carefully stitched leather upholstery creates a welcoming environment. Toyota has paid close attention to craftsmanship. Every button feels solid, every control is positioned naturally, and every surface reflects the attention to detail expected from a flagship family SUV. The redesigned dashboard now features a larger floating infotainment display with sharper graphics and quicker response times. The digital instrument cluster gives the driver customizable information, including navigation, hybrid energy flow, fuel economy, safety alerts, and driving modes. Ambient LED lighting adds warmth throughout the cabin during nighttime driving, while elegant metallic accents create a modern premium atmosphere. The seats have also received significant improvements. The front seats offer better support for long-distance driving with available heating, ventilation, and multiple power adjustments. Whether you're driving across town or across the country, these seats are designed to keep both driver and passenger comfortable for hours. The second-row passengers receive generous legroom along with reclining seats, rear climate controls, USB-C charging ports, and available captain's chairs that make every journey more relaxing. Even the third row provides usable seating for children and occasional adult passengers, something many competitors still struggle to achieve. One of the biggest advantages of the Highlander Hybrid has always been practicality, and Toyota continues that tradition. Behind the third row, There's enough cargo space for groceries or luggage. Fold the third-row seats flat, and the storage area becomes significantly larger for family vacations, sports equipment, or shopping trips. Fold both the second and third rows, and the Highlander transforms into a spacious cargo hauler capable of carrying large items with ease. Technology plays an even bigger role inside the 2026 model. Toyota's latest infotainment software supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration without cables. Wireless charging keeps compatible devices powered, while multiple USB-C ports ensure every passenger stays connected throughout the trip. Premium audio enthusiasts will appreciate the available JBL surround sound system, delivering crystal-clear music with impressive bass and balanced acoustics throughout the cabin. Voice recognition has also improved dramatically, allowing drivers to control navigation, music, climate settings, and phone functions using simple natural language commands. The panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, making every drive feel more open and luxurious. Toyota has also expanded the available camera system with high-definition surround view monitoring, making parking in tight spaces easier than ever. Perhaps the biggest story lies underneath the body. The 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid continues using Toyota's highly respected hybrid technology, refined for even smoother performance and greater efficiency. The hybrid system combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with powerful electric motors, working together seamlessly to provide strong acceleration while consuming significantly less fuel than conventional SUVs. The transition between gasoline and electric power is nearly impossible to notice. Everything happens quietly and smoothly, giving passengers a refined driving experience. Despite prioritizing efficiency, the Highlander Hybrid never feels underpowered. Instant electric torque provides responsive acceleration from traffic lights and during highway merging, while the continuously optimized hybrid system delivers confident performance in nearly every driving situation. One of the biggest advantages of the Highlander Hybrid is how effortlessly it adapts to different driving conditions. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, cruising on the highway, or heading toward a mountain getaway, the SUV feels composed, stable, and remarkably quiet. Toyota has refined the suspension to absorb road imperfections more effectively, reducing vibrations and providing a smoother ride for everyone inside. Improved sound insulation further enhances the cabin, keeping road and wind noise to a minimum even at highway speeds. The result is a driving experience that feels more premium than ever before. Drivers can also choose from multiple driving modes to suit different situations. Eco mode is designed to maximize fuel efficiency for daily commuting, while normal mode offers a balanced combination of performance and economy. Sport mode sharpens throttle response and steering feel, making the Highlander Hybrid feel more engaging on winding roads. Some trims also include EV mode, allowing the vehicle to operate on electric power alone for short distances under certain conditions, making city driving even quieter and more efficient. Toyota's available electronic all-wheel drive system gives the Highlander Hybrid extra confidence in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions. Unlike traditional mechanical systems, the electric rear motor can instantly distribute power to the rear wheels whenever additional traction is needed. This intelligent system constantly monitors road conditions and reacts in milliseconds, helping the SUV remain stable and secure no matter where your journey takes you. Whether you're driving through heavy rain, climbing steep hills, or exploring gravel roads on a weekend adventure, the Highlander Hybrid is built to inspire confidence. Fuel economy remains one of the strongest reasons to choose the hybrid model. With Toyota's decades of hybrid experience, the Highlander Hybrid is expected to deliver impressive efficiency while maintaining strong performance. Fewer stops at the gas station mean more savings over time, making this SUV an excellent option for families who drive frequently. Lower emissions also make it a more environmentally friendly choice, without sacrificing practicality or capability. Safety has always been one of Toyota's highest priorities, and the 2026 Highlander Hybrid continues that tradition with an impressive collection of advanced driver assistance technologies. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package includes features designed to protect both occupants and pedestrians. Pre-collision detection can identify potential hazards ahead and automatically apply the brakes if necessary. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains a safe following distance on the highway, reducing driver fatigue during long trips. Lane departure alert gently warns the driver if the vehicle begins drifting from its lane, while lane tracing assist can provide subtle steering assistance to help keep the SUV centered. Blind spot monitoring makes lane changes safer by detecting vehicles that may not be visible in the mirrors, and rear cross-traffic alert provides extra awareness when reversing out of parking spaces. Traffic sign recognition displays important road signs directly on the instrument cluster, while automatic high beams intelligently switch between high and low beams to improve nighttime visibility without distracting other drivers. Available parking assist systems make tight parking spaces much less stressful by providing additional camera views and steering guidance. Toyota has also reinforced the Highlander's body structure using advanced high-strength steel, improving crash protection while helping reduce overall vehicle weight. Multiple airbags, advanced stability systems, traction control, and electronic brake force distribution all work together to provide peace of mind for every journey. Inside the cabin, convenience has been elevated with thoughtful storage solutions throughout the vehicle. Large door pockets, multiple cup holders, hidden storage compartments, and a spacious center console provide plenty of room for everyday essentials. Families will appreciate the easy access to charging ports, climate controls, and seating adjustments, ensuring every passenger enjoys a comfortable experience. The available hands-free power liftgate is another welcome feature. Simply approach the rear of the vehicle with the key in your pocket, and the liftgate can open automatically, making it easier to load groceries, luggage, or sports equipment when your hands are full. Toyota has also improved connectivity through cloud-based navigation, over-the-air software updates, and enhanced smartphone integration. This means the Highlander Hybrid can continue receiving software improvements even after purchase, helping keep the infotainment system current with new features and optimizations. When it comes to styling, buyers can choose from a variety of attractive exterior colors, premium wheel designs, and trim levels ranging from practical family-focused models to luxurious, fully equipped versions with nearly every premium feature available. This flexibility allows customers to select a Highlander Hybrid that perfectly matches their lifestyle and budget. Compared with competitors in the midsize SUV segment, the Highlander Hybrid continues to stand out by offering an outstanding balance of reliability, efficiency, advanced technology, spacious seating, and long-term value. While many rivals focus on just one or two strengths, Toyota delivers a complete package that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Another important advantage is Toyota's legendary reputation for durability. Owners around the world have trusted Toyota vehicles for decades because they are known for dependable performance, lower maintenance costs, and excellent resale value. The Highlander Hybrid continues this tradition, making it not only a smart purchase today, but also a wise long-term investment. For growing families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike, this SUV checks nearly every box. It offers the efficiency of a hybrid, the practicality of a three-row SUV, the comfort of a premium vehicle, and the peace of mind that comes with Toyota's reputation for quality. If the production model delivers everything we've seen so far, the 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid could easily become one of the most desirable family SUVs of the year. It successfully combines elegant styling, modern technology, advanced safety, everyday practicality, and outstanding fuel efficiency into one refined package that's ready for almost any lifestyle. Whether you're upgrading from an older SUV, buying your first hybrid, or simply searching for a dependable family vehicle that doesn't compromise on luxury or innovation, the new Highlander Hybrid deserves a place at the very top of your shortlist. So what do you think about the all-new 2026 Toyota Highlander Hybrid? Is this the perfect family SUV for your lifestyle, or would you choose another competitor instead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest luxury cars, SUVs, hybrids, electric vehicles, concept cars, and future automotive technology from around the world, make sure to hit that asterisk button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the asterisk notification bell so you never miss an upcoming upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.